Yeah man, from here the voice I don't know, say diligence representing of the TeflonDon. Zin, want to tune in and subscribe to him channel. The baddest thing right now, all the updates and things, diligence that straight from there. Get to you be wise and open the eyes in these times, yeah. Boom.
Today we have a special guest helping me out, the great famous DM21. Bless up yourself, brother.
G.
Yeah, man.
Reach when a great famous stages. We go so hard today, see it. Then I watch it today and TeflonDon so I can go and town, you see it. One thing.
Really?
Ready, my friend? Ready. Welcome, my good. I guess besides.
Small.
Oh! Very small. Well, 12 small, and none of them number is small, so I get that number. My name is Gio. Alright, Gio. They win 50 million, extra revenue, 49 million to our so we're ready. Stand at this. So what the hell should ever youth feel? Stand at this, I'm gonna youth.
So I'm gonna need my money.
So what the X there, what should do yourself?
But like, young ex, so they mind money that I work hard for, that I win.
You know, like, yeah, even a 2 million net up or whatever.
Probably $1 million, sure. But 49 then.
Nope.
Jamaica get.
So make a plan for the funeral, pay the 1 million.
We'll pay for the funeral then.
Alright, thanks if you want to go pay for them.
Nope.
No, I'm good.
Alright, okay? Alright, keep in him. Alright, what name is your name?
Apple time, man. See my logo, man.
Oh, Apple
Cheers. Apple time. See?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so if you go home one day and see a woman in your bed with somebody else, what do you do?
What I do, brother? Stand back, man, and carry on life, brother, man. Smart and that, brother. Just stand back and just tell myself, say, I hate that, brother. I left the 2 of them, brother.
So,
You see me?
and it makes sense to go take action and then go do sitting there, lead your prison and then sitting there.
No, brother, that would have been foolish. That is bigger and that. I don't want no man that. You see me?
I give you me general.
Yeah, man, I don't want no man there, brother. We move on, brother.
Yes, sir.
Well, look at them carry on that with a different ladies.
Sure.
See?
So,
Yeah,
you want to
man.
big up for your friend them?
I hate that, man. Yeah.
I say, you want to big up for your FG them? Man?
Yeah, man, I don't know upon Pier Beach, they don't have some man. I don't know things that you don't know. Yeah? Big up man like Zaya, you know things that, yeah? Don't know Wild Side, yeah? Yeah. Don't know a thing, yeah? Short boss, up. Alright.
I know say JJ.
Alright, JJ. Would you date someone with the same last name as yours?
Nope. Depends on that some jacket must got so no, you're Jamaican, you know.
Yeah. First of the name bro, you know bro, come on.
Yeah, man.
So you never like date somebody with your last name before though?
No.
You have pre a girl before like that?
No, sir.
Thanks to you. You want to big up for your friend them?
No, really, you know, but I'm going to shout out to my brother, them as well,
My thing, yeah? I respect. What name is your name?
I'm named Brandon, but you can call me Essence, is it?
Essence. So if you go home one day and see your partner with somebody else in your bed, what do you do?
Alright, to tell you the honest truth, but I just, you know what's really and truly me is a man when I choose nothing, you see me? But I just walk out and show this to me after that, you see me?
Hell no, to the no.
Suppose it's your place now, what do you do?
She have to come out.
Yeah. Suppose she resist that she's not come out, whatsoever.
The honest truth, you don't know, but I know she have to come out.
So,
she can't stay there,
good
you
to
see
see
me?
you doing
You see me?
Yeah. Alright, thank you for you. You want to big up for your friend them?
Alright, I shout out to Fuego 2 times. Big up Wella, you see me? That a young in wave, upcoming rapper. One big up Crime, you see it, and the whole of me day ones, you see me? One big up Mother, and everybody will do that for me from day one, you see?
So,
Yeah, man.
One big up for day one, let me see.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, yeah. Alright, name my friend?
Win some.
I win some. You go home one day and see a man in your bed with somebody else, what do you do?
Yeah, man, probably turn back or leave or something.
Yeah.
Your bed.
Your bed is supposed to you by the bed.
I'm not even going to answer that. I'm not sure what I'm doing.
So you don't want to know how your girl get there?
Girl, me and the man would have it all.
Something girl, I mean, she go free or something.
If the man never bring her there, she could go there.
I like your view. Your view, eh? What name is G?
You call me IT.
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 IT. Yeah, if I send a girl to school, high school, college and university, after that, when she graduated from university, she left you. What do you do?
You know, I feel that way still. I want to see me.
They always say me.
They want to have wallet cards. They want to know what it is.
So when like try to sue her if I get back to my money or...
No, because I don't think she even have it.
Oh, true. Thanks if you want to be good for your friend then?
Well, can't be good mother save me this money.
True. Yeah man. Thanks if you, eh?
Yeah, man.
What's your name back?
My name is David.
David. So win 50 million. Ex-girlfriend was 49 million. So I'll say, where are
I don't support her.
you give all 49 million.
No, I give her a percent.
Suppose the percentage you give her, she can't find the next makeup.
Make somebody else out of her.
Yeah. Suppose somebody else can't start out.
She have to just go and hear it, you know.
But she went in the car, I told you want to. Just numbers are the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Thanks, Steve, yeah? Yeah, big up your friend and my family.
Big up my mother and all them. You know, big up TeflonDon, I don't know. The charges still, I don't know. So.
Bless you.